Okay, so now let us create another method. Let's copy this method here and then just paste it down below. So the method that we're going to create is to draw circles, multiple circles horizontally to the right. So let us change this method name to, let's just say HORP or horizontal. So you probably know already where to change. The only thing that needs to be changed here is the x coordinate. So instead of making the y as the variable that we increment every time we do a loop iteration, it is the x that we need to change. So to do that, we need to change the variable y to the x. Okay? And which means that we will keep the 100 for the y coordinate, and this is where we do the increment every time we do an iteration. So which means that we change this y to x. So that's about it. Now we can just change the text here, drawing horizontal circles. And that's it. Now we have a new method that draws a circle to the right. Let us save our project and do a rebuild. Let's open up AutoCAD. And now we can load our plugin. Okay, so draw circles horizontal, this one here. There you go. Zoom extents. There it is. Let's try our draw circles vertical. Yeah. So let me show you one more thing. Let's say we want to change the color of the circle every time it draws a new one. Let me just close this over. So what we can do is, let's just create another variable here. Let's say eye color as integer also. Let's initialize it to 1. And then we change the color, cir.color index equals eye color. So the first circle will be red in color because of our initialization value here, which is 1. And then every iteration we have to also increment the eye color equals eye color plus 1. So the next run it will be 2, which is yellow. The next iteration would be 3, which is green, and so on and so forth. So let us save our project and do another rebuild. Let's try that in AutoCAD. Okay, let us load our plugin. Okay, let's try now let's just try the vertical circles first. So these are our circles. Now let's do the draw circles horizontal. There you go. Okay. So that's it for our draw circle methods. Play around with this method here or create your own and try doing some other properties and observe the outcome. Okay, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.